Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. One of my least favorite times of the year because we have no trading for about 4 days. So I thought I'd get through some standalone videos on companies. And today I'm going to be looking at a company called Bellevue Gold, focusing on the most recent quarter and few of the updates the company has released since then. And this is one of the companies that I'm really looking forward to their quarterly report that will be releasing in April, more than likely in the last week of the month. Now, I think this company is going to produce absolutely stunning results based off a few things we do know about this company in terms of their production. Now, this is a new gold producing company. Not only is this a new producing company, they have actually really good management. I'm pretty impressed with their management. For instance, there's definitely a bit of a Northern Star flavor to the management of this company. I think three of their managers, maybe even four of the managers, were involved in Northern Star, including the CEO and managing director. He was actually the chief development officer and general manager of operations at Northern Star Resources, Darren Strallo. And alongside him, we also have Bill Sterling, Luke Gleason, and Guy Moore also were involved in Northern Star. So if management and the skill of management is one of the things you look for in a long-term investment, possibly Bellevue Gold is for you. Now, I think the market is aware of this company. Bellevue Gold has a market cap of $2.2 billion. That's share price of $1.88. They have 1.18 billion shares on issue, and the chart looks absolutely brilliant. So we'll have a look at the chart at the end of the video, and this is one of the best looking gold charts on the ASX. Now, Bellevue Gold do have a gold project in WA, located about 40 kilometres to the northwest of Lone Star in the Goldfields region of West Australia, and they're actually quite close to one of the Northern Star gold producing projects or mines called Bronze Wing. So they're in the right area. And according to the company, and this is straight from the website, this project is one of the highest grade gold discoveries in the world and the highest grade gold development project in Australia. So if you love gold, possibly Bellevue Gold should be on your watch list. Now let's have a look at the December quarter results. This is the first quarter of production. And that's why if you look at the current quarter receipts for customers, it's the exact same number as the year to date, which was 6 months. So this is a new gold producing company on the ASX. And in this particular quarter, they produced $49 million of cash receipts. Now, this number is going to be important as we look at the ramp in production this company is experiencing right now. And even though they are still ramping up production, the company was operating cash flow positive by $23.4 million, which also included $5.5 million in interest and other costs of finance paid. Now, in saying that, they were operating cash flow positive. The company was not free cash flow positive. If you take into account they spent $13.1 million on capital expenditure and $39.7 million on mine properties in development. They also increased their borrowings by $35 million. Hence, they had cash on hand at the end of this particular quarter of $44.2 million. Now let's have a look at some of the reasons why this is an exciting company. But before I talk about why this is an exciting company, I should also mention they have about $225 million of debt. Have a look at section 7 or 8 in the Appendix 5B, and you'll be able to see the particulars around that debt. I think it's with Macquarie Bank, about $225 million. Now, this is in their commentary. So gold sold totaled 16,266 ounces, and gold produced was 15,459 ounces. Now we get to the point where it gets a little bit exciting. With plant commissioning completed, production guidance for March 2024 and June 2024 quarters is between 75,000 and 85,000 ounces, which is significantly higher than the gold produced in the December quarter. Now, one thing I would have liked to see was some sort of cost guidance, but they have not produced that. They mention here cost guidance will be published after commercial production is declared. Now, grade is expected to increase, and they have actually um, really confirmed that with one of the presentations they did release. They released a presentation on the 19th of March. That was for the UBS Mid and Emerging Resources Day, and grades are in fact increasing. So a bit of commentary here. Grade is expected to increase as a mine accesses higher grade areas and the underground stoping rate improves is absolutely correct. The company has released a couple of presentations in the last 2 months, including this one from February 2024. And probably the most relevant part of this particular presentation is when they announced they are now generating positive free cash flow, but they also announced that cost guidance will be announced following declaration of commercial production. But in their most recent presentation that they did release to the market on 19th of March, we can see that gold producing is still increasing. And this is a month by month gold produced little now, this particular graph was released in their UBS Mid and Emerging Resources Day presentation, released on the 19th of March. It just shows you from October the amount of gold produced in each month. So you can definitely see gold producing for Bellevue Gold is still ramping up to 13.3 thousand ounces of gold in February, which is fairly similar, just a little bit lower than the total gold produced in the December quarter. So just based off the gold produced in January, February, and expected gold to be produced in March, this company will be absolutely gushing with cash flow in the March quarter. In fact, in a February presentation they did release to the market, they actually announced that they were, at that point in time, free cash flow positive. Now, alongside this particular graph in the March 19th presentation, they also had the grade graph, just showing you that grades have also been increasing. And so you have gold producing increasing, grade increasing. So again, I think this company will be absolutely gushing with cash flow in the next few quarters at least. Which would also mean that the company can really pay down their debt fairly quickly, and possibly that will be on the minds of the management. In fact, that could be the number one goal of the management, is to decrease our debt over the next few quarters. They're also doing a bit of hedging. So as of the 31st of March 2023, Bellevue had committed hedging of 250,000 ounces of gold, sold an average hedge price of $2,785 per ounce. So for those who like a little bit less risk, they might like hedging, this might be a good thing. However, it may not be a good thing if the price of gold keeps on increasing at a significant rate. So who knows? Maybe this is not the best thing for Bellevue Gold, but it does give a little bit of certainty to the amount of profit and cash flow the company might produce over the next few quarters. Now to the chart for Bellevue Gold, and a beautiful looking chart. This is the weekly chart going back to 2017. In fact, the share price of this company has increased from almost 10 cents to about $1.88. So the share price of this company, or the valuation of this company, has increased 18-fold over this point in time. Maybe not the valuation, but definitely the share price, because the company probably did a few capital raisings during this period. But a beautiful looking uptrend. And in fact, the share price is just coming off the all-time high, and that was achieved 1 week ago. And that is all I have for this real first look at Bellevue Gold. I have not had a look at this company in the past. A few times Bellevue Gold has popped up onto my radar, and then when I saw their December quarter results, or their Appendix 5B, and I saw they were operating cash flow positive, I just had to do a video on this company. So if you have any questions, any thoughts, I'm pretty sure there's a few Bellevue Gold shareholders that do watch or subscribe to my videos, or just watch my videos, because this company has popped up in the comment section of a few of my videos. So if you are a shareholder of this company, I'd love to hear your opinion on Bellevue Gold. Why are you a shareholder? Do you have high opinions of this company, the management? Do you think this company has the potential to be one of the best quality gold companies on the ASX? So let me hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.